Hello kids! Let's learn opposite words.
Fat, slim, fat, slim. Big, small, big, small. Fast, slow, fast, slow. Strong, weak, strong, weak. Old, young, old, young. Tall, short, tall, short. Boy, girl, boy, girl. New, old, new, old. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Wet, dry, wet, dry.